Okay. So Rahul, our first session is regarding Salesforce development login, right? For developer org login. Okay.
Anything from the scratch, from the beginning, like
From the beginning, from the
uh,
scratch. Okay.
scratch. Yes.
Let me share my screen. Please let me know whether my screen is visible or not.
Yeah, it's
I think
visible.
it's visible.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So first we'll go to the link. I'll provide this link in the chat box also. You can also
Yeah, sure.
follow the steps and which will help you to log in, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah. The
this is
recording
a
is started.
recording is started. No, don't worry about it.
Okay, fine.
This is the link basically which we use to make a developer account. So nothing, just there are some formalities like you have to sign in with your user, like your first name and everything. Let
So
me,
this Salesforce is paid because it is saying free trial.
yeah, it is
So
paid, but we are using the free edition now, so it will be free for the lifetime. Don't worry about it.
okay, okay,
Okay, but the thing is, if you will not use your org for 90 days, then it will expire automatically.
okay, fine.
There is some times, there is a time period.
If we
If you will
don't
not
use
log in,
them, right? Okay, fine. Yeah,
yeah,
got it.
if no activity will happen in that org, then Salesforce has a pre-built feature that it will deactivate or delete it. Basically Salesforce like think that the user is not like using that org,
Okay, yeah.
so they deactivate and delete that account permanently. Let's suppose
Mhm.
I'm like let's take another, because I have 2 3 orgs right now.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah,
So
no issue.
SFDC Lilith, and job title, let's say
Anything.
Salesforce
Fine.
developer, company name Salesforce,
Okay.
and work email, like
Anyone.
I can provide
Any
my,
problem. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, fine.
click on the checkbox, I agree to the
Mm.
main, and sign up for me. So I need to open my email for it.
Okay.
See, I've got it on registration, your existing
Yeah.
email addition.
Okay. So any link you got to activate?
Yeah, I've got the link. See, it looks I've already. Okay. Hi Lilith, it looks you have already a developer edition with Agent Force. Okay, so it is taking my, it is take. I already have a or related to this.
It's okay. Just you can proceed.
Yeah.
You can we can think we have account, right? Right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. This
Okay,
will work
fine.
now.
Yes. We can think that we have made account.
Okay.
Then we
Okay.
can.
These are the only steps, right? You will get an email, and after that, you can log in. If you face any
Yeah,
problem,
it's
then you
okay.
can ping me. No problem in that.
Okay,
So
okay.
after all this, this is my. I need to check a verification code for it. Just a Salesforce security part.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, I'm logging in this org after a very long time, so that's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
it is asking me for a verification code. But if you will work regularly, then it will not ask for a, for the code.
Okay. Okay,
And
okay.
it usually happens when the user uses another system or another email or another
Okay.
browser, you can say.
Mhm.
So it requires a verification code for it. So basically, this is a Salesforce org. Let me show you. When you will make a Salesforce org, then this will be the default page where you will land
Means after registering, this is the well,
after
after login,
registration.
this is the home page,
After,
right?
when you will put your credentials, your username and password. After that, when you
Mhm.
will log in, then you will land on this page.
Okay, fine.
This is basically a default page. So
Default
basically
page.
what happened, Rahul, we have the objects: opportunity, lead, task, file, account. These are the
Mhm.
objects. Now what are the
Okay.
objects? Objects are basically used to store the data. As you can see that I
Okay.
have stored some data in it. Let me show you with the help of example. Let's suppose my name is these are the account. Okay, so
Okay.
let me make a new record of it. And
Okay.
okay, let's take Rahul.
Okay.
Okay, Rahul Salesforce.
Okay.
Okay, you can put your account number and anything else
Mm-hmm.
for it. Account site, you can all like put all the details in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the address field and everything. Let me save
Mm-hmm.
this. As you can see, your Rahul Salesforce record has been created in this.
Okay, this you have made under accounts. Okay, new
Yes,
account.
under accounts. Similarly, we have the contacts as well.
Okay.
Okay, so basically what happens now, let me tell you with the help of screen.
Mm.
Okay, so basically Salesforce objects. Okay, there are the two type of objects: standard objects and another which is custom objects. Sorry, oh, some typing mistake. Okay, there are two type of objects. How many type of objects?
Two.
One is standard and second is custom. So
Okay.
what are the standard objects and what are the custom objects? Standard objects are the objects which are already provided by the Salesforce. That's it. And
Okay.
custom objects are the objects which are made by user,
Okay.
which are made by the user according
Mm.
to the business need.
Okay.
Okay. So first, what comes in the picture? What are objects? Basically, we also sell them. We also say subjects. Alpha object means Salesforce object. Okay,
Okay.
account, contact, camping. These all are the S objects. Okay, what is the
Okay.
use of that S objects? Why we use them? So these are used to store data in
These are used.
Salesforce.
Used. These are
Yeah,
used to store. Okay.
these are okay. Sorry, these are
Mm.
used to store the data in the Salesforce.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
so I told you there are two types of objects: standard objects and custom objects. Understood?
Yes.
So what
Yes.
are the standard objects? Let me tell you with the help of example. Standard objects. So as I told you, account, okay,
Okay.
contact, okay, and
Okay.
opportunity.
Okay. Whatever we have in the list in that drop.
Yeah, whatever
In
we have in the list. Campaign,
okay. Mm.
camping, etc. There are many
Mm.
more.
Yeah.
Many,
Yeah.
many, many objects are there, you can see. Okay. Now,
Yes.
what is
Yes.
the use of that object? Why we use them?
Mm.
Okay. So basically, what happens that account means company.
Mm.
Account means company. Let me tell you what is the meaning of account. Account means company. Company. It refers to a company, and contact means a employee working in that company.
Okay.
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 I will show you with the help of example. Don't worry about it.
Mm-hmm.
Working in that
So this
company.
account is a company. This is like by default, like it is always for a company.
Yeah. If we look at it according to the business perspective, account
Mm.
are used for the company. Account. Let me
Okay.
tell you with example. Let's take example of KPMG. Okay,
Okay.
KPMG. Are you familiar with this word KPMG?
No.
No. Okay, no problem. Are you familiar with this word Microsoft?
Yes. Yes.
Microsoft company.
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. So
Mm.
let's take example of Microsoft. Microsoft. Okay. Let's
Okay.
remove this.
Yes.
Microsoft. So
Okay.
Microsoft must have some phone number. Let's
Yes.
suppose double it
Anything. Yeah. Fine.
anything. Okay.
Mm.
And maybe they also have a website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Microsoft.com. Okay.
Okay.
And what type of company it is? Okay, leave it. Industry. What type of industry it is? It is a
IT education. Whatever.
IT.
IT. Okay.
Ha, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Perfect.
Technology.
Technology. We can take
Okay.
a technology, maybe that company, so there must be an annual revenue also.
Yeah.
Okay, from a startup to MNC, there must be
Yeah.
an annual revenue. So
Yeah.
let's make it this. So just
Anything.
example.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, ownership. What type of company it is? It is a public. Is it a private company?
Hmm. Yeah.
Perfect. And
Yeah.
there are some also custom field made by me. Let's ignore that custom field right
Okay.
now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And they also have some billing address, some shipping address. Let's suppose that
Okay.
company is selling something. Okay. So that is
Okay.
a billing address, that is a shipping address. And
Hmm.
there are many fields. Description. Okay.
Hmm.
Microsoft is the IT company, etc.
Okay.
etc. Let's save this. I have made an account Microsoft. Okay, ignore these. These are just for my for the trial. Okay,
Okay.
these accounts, the records which you are seeing here are only for my practice. Okay,
Yes. Yes. I got it. Yeah. I got
let's
it.
focus on Microsoft right now. Okay,
Yes. Correct.
so basically I can make many records, as many records I want.
Hmm.
Like there's also Salesforce limit that from after that you cannot make that records. But let's assume we can make a lot of records in this, right? So when I
Yes.
click on Salesforce, there must be some, the employees or contacts we can say.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a contact. Let's suppose Lalit Kumar. Mobile number, we can take anything. Okay, we can also set a department.
This is under contacts, right?
Yeah, this is under contacts. Let me show you again. We go to the account,
Yeah.
Microsoft, and under
Yes.
that account, when you click on the details, you can see all the details of the company.
Yeah. What we have filled. Yeah.
On the left side you will see related means that company, that how many employees are related to that company. I'm just taking an example. Okay,
Okay.
you can also take an you can also consider this as a shop, that this is a
Hmm.
shop, and contact means the employees working in that company, or basically you can also check the customers which
Hmm.
purchase the things from that shop
So this
are the contacts.
meaning this contacts and the above contacts are the same thing, same objects.
Yeah,
See,
these are
these
the
are
same object. These are the
this
same object.
this contact and under accounts we have a contact in
Yeah,
Microsoft. So these
yeah,
two are the same thing.
yeah, these two are same thing
So
basically.
either we can click on the accounts and then contacts, or we
Yeah,
can click on the contacts directly.
context as well, correct. You can see opportunity, these are they both are same.
Same. Okay.
Opportunity and this,
Okay.
they both are the same. I will tell you that
Okay.
how they are connected.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell you all the schema behind that, don't worry about it.
Okay. Okay.
Now it will be a very interesting session if you will listen with full concentration.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so let's make a contact here. Let's suppose
Okay.
I make Lalit Kumar. Let
Hmm.
me fill the details as I filled phone number, mobile phone, anything, department, let's say technology.
Hmm.
Technology. Okay. Birth date I can fill 26. Here you can see. Just give me a minute. Birth date can be, let's take this. Let me fill the birth date.
Take it anything.
Perfect. And email can be abc at the rate gmail.com.
Hmm.
Okay. And mailing address and address, these are some fields. If you want, you can fill, no problem.
Okay.
Language English. Description. Lalit Kumar is an employee working in the Microsoft Microsoft as a Salesforce, sorry, mistake, as a Salesforce developer. Okay, let's save it. So you can see there's a one contact for that Microsoft. Let me click on the next. Let me click again. Here you can see here we have Microsoft. Click on it.
Yes. Yes.
Under that Microsoft, you can see Lalit is working under the Microsoft.
Yes.
Lalit is a related contact for that. Now you were now what you were saying that we also have that contact also. Okay, so you can see my name here.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, when you will click on the Lalit, okay, so you will see that Lalit and it is working in Microsoft, the account name. And you will
Okay.
and when you will click on that Microsoft, it will redirect you to the record of the contact of the account.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Okay. One of the is we can make the contact right from there. Okay. There's one another way.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me click on the contact. Click on the new. You will see that screen is pop up.
Yeah.
Okay. And here let's assume Rahul. What's your full name? Sorry, Rahul.
Serene, Sarin. You can see in the chat also given
Yeah,
over
okay.
there.
Okay. Okay. Correct.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Okay. So you can also fill out the information 99. Okay.
Hmm.
Here you can see you're the account name.
Hmm.
Basically, you can select.
Hmm.
See, there are some many accounts
Hmm. Hmm.
we saw. So I will click on the
Okay.
Microsoft
Microsoft. Okay.
ABC. Okay, mobile number 9988776655. Let's
So
take any.
यहाँ पे we need to choose the account name
Yes,
और
yes,
वहाँ पे we don't need it because we are in the account itself.
yeah, yeah. Because we were making the contact for that particular account. That was the
Yeah.
reason we were not selecting the account name. But in
Yes.
contact doesn't know what is your company name,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Right.
So that's why we are selecting Microsoft. I can
Yeah.
also deselect it and make it Raul Salesforce. I can
Mm-hmm.
also deselect it and make it for the dev test 4.
Yeah. Got
Test
it.
dev 4 basically. It's
Mm-hmm.
my choice. So basically, let's select Microsoft as you are
Microsoft.
as you're taking the
Yeah.
example of that account, and
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can select lead source. Ignore this field. These are just
Yeah. Okay.
for
Fine.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you the use of all the use of that fields later.
Mm-hmm.
So let
Yeah. Sure.
me select the language Hindi. Okay. These are some normal fields.
Mm.
So let me put the description. So
Fine.
one is Java developer in the Microsoft company. Okay. Let's save this.
Mm-hmm.
Now one magic will happen.
Mm.
What magic will happen? Let's open the account. Let's
Mm.
open the Microsoft. You can see here we have two accounts.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't make
Yes.
Raul from this. I make the contact Raul from this
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
going
Got
from
it.
that object. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are
Yeah.
the two ways you can make contact. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
basically, Microsoft is a parent object and contact is a child object. One parent
Okay.
can have many accounts.
Okay.
One account can have many contacts basically. Are you getting my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, we also have opportunity for it.
Okay.
Okay. Let me tell you with the help of an example. This is the opportunity. And in opportunities let's talk in the real world scenario that why opportunity object exist. Okay. So hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Opportunity is like a deal. Opportunity, as the name suggests, opportunity.
Okay. Deal.
Deal. Deal for a company.
Okay.
Okay. Opportunity means, let's suppose Microsoft is working on AI technology. Okay. AI
Okay.
technology. Let's take example of Gemini. Are you familiar with the Gemini?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Gemini is AI technology. Let's suppose uh, Microsoft is developing some Gemini. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Technology. And that company is paying Microsoft to build that technology. Basically, Gemini AI is an opportunity for Microsoft. From that opportunity, they can earn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I will tell you later about it. Basically, this is all about the Salesforce business. It comes in the Salesforce business. Why we
Okay.
use opportunity and what is the use of opportunity. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We can also put a close date. Basically, close date is a mandatory field. You can see the star sign there.
Yeah.
Red color star sign. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got
Yeah,
it.
Rahul, you can see a star sign there on the close
Yes. Yes.
date.
Yeah. Yeah.
What does that mean? This means that it is a
Compulsory.
mandatory field. It is a
Yeah. Yeah.
compulsory field.
Yeah.
Without filling that field, you will not be able to save the record.
Yes. Correct.
Okay. We have a stage pick list also. This is called a pick list or a drop down. In
Yeah.
drop down, in Salesforce term, drop down is known as a pick list.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's fill all the information and AI technology. Okay, let's save the record. Okay, so basically this is the account. This is the opportunity. Here you can see the record is created. Now
Yes, yes.
let's go to the account. You can see we have contact is also a child object of account, right?
Okay,
Contact is a child object for account, and opportunity is also a child object for account.
okay,
So we can make that opportunity a child record for account as well. Let me
okay.
check the account exists or not. Just give me 1 minute.
So how can we link this
Huh.
opportunity into
Yeah, you can give it.
Microsoft?
You can see the account name.
Yeah,
Let me click on it. You can see Microsoft.
yeah.
Click on the Microsoft and save. Now,
Okay,
that contact, that opportunity is linked with the Microsoft, with the account Microsoft.
yeah.
Let me
Okay,
go to the Microsoft record, and you can see we have the two existed contact as we made earlier,
yeah,
and one opportunity is also added.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, for that particular Microsoft, you will not see this contact and opportunity for another accounts. Let me help you with the example.
Yes, yes, yes. Right.
Okay, that account is as F4 and these have zero account because there is no contact or opportunity link for that account
Okay.
basically.
So this is a
Make
part of
sense?
Salesforce admin, right? It's
Yeah,
admin.
this is a part of Salesforce admin.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you
Yeah.
are getting whatever I'm
Yes,
trying
yes.
to.
Right.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's make one more opportunity as well.
Okay.
Okay, and let's make it um, test a test test opportunity. Okay,
Okay.
let me fill the amount. Okay, I have to take the numeric value. Okay, perfect. Close date. Okay, what happen if I will not select that mandatory field? What will happen if I will try
It
to
will
save
not
without?
save. It will not
See,
save.
it will tell you that which fields are mandatory. Review
Yes,
the
yes.
following fields: close date and stage. Stage is also mandatory field, Rahul. You can see.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Correct.
yeah. So 7. Let's fill the date and now try to save. Now it will trigger another error. It will say, please fill the stage also.
Yeah.
So we'll fill the stage as well. Prospecting, and let's save. So you can see there are the two opportunities and two contacts for the particular account.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you again. Click on the Microsoft. You can see. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. This was all about the objects and everything. So basically, what I was teaching you, this was all about the standard objects. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
hope you understand what are the standard objects.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay, perfect. Now, what comes in picture? Custom objects. What are the custom objects? So basically, custom objects are the objects which are made by the user according to the business requirements. Okay,
Okay.
so basically, a custom object can be like it can have any name. We are not sure. Let's suppose I'm building. I'll build. Uh, you like food, right?
Yeah. Food, hobby, something we can have something
Okay, okay,
hobby.
okay. Let's build a object.
Okay.
Let's build restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay,
Okay.
restaurant, or you can say hotel. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
hotel. So I will build a object, custom object hotel. Okay.
Okay.
So how to build a custom object? Basically, we will. Can you see the gray icon, Rahul?
Yeah. Yeah. Setup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So click on it. You have to click on the setup. Click on the setup. You will be redirected to the another tab.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the object manager. object manager, can you see the drop down create?
Yes.
Yeah, click on that. You will see custom object. Okay,
Okay.
just give me a minute. Create, you will see the custom object.
Yes.
Click on it. Make a custom object. Okay. So what we were making? We were making hotel. We were creating hotel.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a plural name hotels. Okay.
Okay.
Description. This is the hotel which is used for the people residence. You can say. You can take an example of it.
Yeah.
Residence.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So basically, it will be a text type. Allow
Yeah.
reports. Just ignore what I am doing here. Okay. This is not a. I will tell you later why we use it.
Okay.
Allow search. Okay. Create a custom tab. You have to click on this custom tab. Basically, it will make a tab. Now, what is tab? These are the tabs which help to display your
Mm.
object, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, you can see this. You can see this.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, this is the tab. With the help of tab, you are able to see this object like this.
Okay.
So tab style you can select diamond. I think you can select whatever you want. Just skip next. So basically, this will tell you that where to include this tab. As you can see, this right now this is included in the sales app, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sales. This is the sales app. So you can see. So let's make it available only for the sales app, right? As you can see, I selected only for the sales app. There are many apps in Salesforce now, so you can make it available
For
for the sales
sales,
app. Okay,
sales app. Okay.
or you can
Mm.
also skip this condition. You can just select all app. Then this hotel object will be visible in all the apps.
Okay.
So I don't want that to make that object visible for all the apps. I want it to make it visible only for this sales.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
So
Got
I'm
it. Yeah.
using the okay. I'm selecting
Mm.
only that part. Let's save it. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the hotel sales. Okay, click on the more. Let's refresh. Control Shift R. Okay, or you can also find your object like this. Like go to the object manager and select hotel. Type hotel. You will see this is the custom object we made. This hotel used for the people residence.
Yes.
The
Yes.
modified date was 7 October. Oh, 7 Feb 2026. Just
Mm.
open it. Okay. So basically, these are all the details of your object, like description, API name. API name is very important. Okay. Basically,
Oh,
your object's API name is like you can say identity of your object. Basically,
okay.
legal name for Salesforce. Okay.
Okay.
This is a legal name for Salesforce. Salesforce will not identify your object by this. This will identify your object by this. What is the meaning of underscore underscore C? Means this is a custom object. This is not a standard object provided by the
Okay.
Salesforce.
This
Underscore.
underscore C you have done,
Yeah.
or this he
No,
has,
no,
it's
no. It came by default
by default.
because
Okay.
this is a way to differentiate a object that whether it is a
So
standard
this
or a
so
custom.
this Salesforce has done itself, like
Yeah.
hotel, like label
Yes.
underscore C.
Yeah. Let me help. Let me show you.
Mm.
You can see the account. Account is a standard object, right? So you will
Yes.
not see any underscore underscore C in this because it is provided by the Salesforce only.
Yeah. Standard.
It is not made by the user. So
Yeah.
you will not see any underscore underscore C in its API name. But
Mm.
when we talk about custom object, you can see the underscore underscore C in the API name.
Yeah.
This basically indicates that this is a custom object and it is made by the user. That's
Okay.
it. Hope you got my point.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's search hotel. Okay, so you can see hotel. I selected the diamond
Yes.
in the emoji. Let's create a new. You can see
Means,
hotel
how
name.
you can you close this? Can you again go back to
Yeah,
that?
yeah,
How you
yeah.
open this?
I opened this. Basically, it is not appearing in the more.
Hmm.
Okay. So I can directly search my object like this hotel.
No, you can search, but suppose we have some list of custom objects.
Hmm.
The name we don't remember.
Okay.
Then how can we know in that case?
That was the reason that I was uh, I was choosing that boxes that in
Okay,
which we need to make it visible. Just give me a
okay.
minute. Just give me a minute. It will not take a lot of time. Okay. Just give me a minute. App manager. Let me go to the sales. Lightning sales. Edit.
You have checked only sales.
Yeah.
So how can we see that under sales? Like,
Yeah. Just give me a minute. Okay. Just give me a minute. Actually, I selected another sale. That's the reason it is not appearing.
mhm.
I selected another sales app. There is a two sales app, right? That was the reason it was not appearing. Okay. Sales. Let's click on the sales. Let's put 5000. See, you can see hotel. Okay. There is no
Okay.
need to search it manually from there.
Hmm,
You can
so
also
how
search it from there.
so
Hmm.
how it came? So how it came in the under more? Like what you did?
Okay. So basically, one of the option is that we can select that object. Basically, it has a lot of objects. So that was the reason it was not appearing.
I mean, can you make one more custom object and show me how it is?
Yeah, sure, sure, Rahul, sure, sure. Just give me a minute. We make hotel, right?
Yeah.
Let's make one another custom object. Let's make customer, right? Okay,
Okay.
because one hotel can have many customers.
Hmm.
Customer. See, it will automatically take the API name. I didn't
Okay.
I didn't edit the API name here. You can see object name. Basically, this is the API name. Okay.
Same name. Same name.
Yeah, same
Label.
name.
Okay.
And after that it will automatically put underscore underscore C by default. Let me show you again. Customer. When I click on this, see it automatically rendered here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you one more time. Customer. And when I click on anyway like this,
Yes.
see
Yeah.
it rendered automatically. So basically, API name is not created by the user. It is created by Salesforce by default.
Okay.
I can tell you that how to change the API name.
Okay.
Okay. We can also make API name by for according to our needs as well. But when the field is created, after that you cannot change the API name because API name is like an identity.
Yes.
Okay, API name is an identity in Salesforce for that particular object or field. Okay, let's
Okay.
suppose your name is Rahul. Rahul,
Yeah.
and you must have an Aadhaar card. Can you change that Aadhaar card number?
No.
No, because that is the identity, government
Yes.
ID. You cannot change it,
Yes. Correct.
and it is unique.
Yes.
Okay, that digit on your Aadhaar card is unique. Perfect.
Yes.
Same is like in the case of API name as well.
Okay.
Customers, and let's click again. Now search. Let's make a custom tab also. If you will not make a custom tab, then you have to manually search like this.
This launch. What is this launch tab?
What? This
नहीं
app
वो in
launcher.
that नहीं yeah, this launch new tab
Launch a
in
new
this.
custom tab. Launch a new custom tab. As I told you that we need to make tab. So this is just a
Okay,
tab. Launch a
okay,
new custom tab. Launch
okay,
means
fine.
we are creating a new custom tab.
So
Okay.
it will appear in the more, right?
It will appear in the more.
Okay,
No. Now, currently it will not appear in the more because we are not selecting the tab in which it will be visible. This is the
okay,
next step. I will tell you that. Click on the next. It is ignore this. This is all about profile. I will tell you later. This is the later part. This is
hmm,
basically Salesforce security part.
okay,
Okay, basically, let me tell you like roughly. So basically, what happens that Salesforce has some security and it has some licenses and profiles that which object will be visible to the which profile. Okay,
okay,
so let's
yeah,
suppose you're working in the office, you have an employee profile. So you cannot see the data of manager and your boss and the people
yes,
who are in higher authority. But your
yes.
manager can definitely see all your
See,
records and all your performance and everything.
yes, correct.
Correct. So basically, in Salesforce, we have a profiles
Okay,
and users as well. We assign
okay,
profile to that particular user.
hmm,
So it's all the part of security. I will tell you briefly. Okay.
okay, fine. Yeah, yeah,
But
sure.
first, let's understand what are the basics.
Yeah,
And
sure.
Salesforce have a very tight security.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. This was the step which you were asking. Okay. So
go back,
first,
go back, like in that same page where we.
yeah,
Okay, this one. Okay, fine.
this was
Next.
add to profiles, right?
Yeah.
This is by default on, and I will tell you later, as I told you.
Okay.
Click on
Okay.
the next. You can see add custom object. Add
Okay.
custom. These add custom apps. Basically, this is the step in which you will select that your object should be visible to which apps. Okay.
Okay.
Let me. Here you go. You can see Salesforce Console Lightning. This is our app which we are using
Okay.
currently.
Okay.
Okay. So Salesforce Standard Sales and Salesforce Lightning Sales. Click on it. Okay.
Okay.
And click Save. You can see a customer object is created, and you can also see that underscore C is mentioned by default. It is
Okay.
provided by the Salesforce. As I said, that whatever the custom object you will make, it will by default put underscore C, which is basically an identity that it is a custom
Mhm.
object.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct, Rahul?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So first we need to refresh the page by Control Shift R. Okay. Let me put again. Click on the more.
Mm.
Just give me a minute. Basically, it has a lot of objects. That is the reason it is not making it visible. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Click on this display density. This is also another way to refresh the page.
Okay.
Basically, Salesforce is a cloud technology, so it takes a lot of time to refresh that.
Okay.
Customer, can you give me? Okay, are you familiar with Inspect? You're a
Inspect.
Java
Yeah.
developer.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Browser. Na browser inspect.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Browser inspect.
Yes. Yes.
Correct,
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
correct. Right click, click
Yeah.
Inspect, and
Yeah.
right click on this empty cache and hard reload. You can also refresh it by this way.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're familiar with this hard reload because sometimes you
Okay.
need to, you know, refresh your page regularly.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not getting displayed? I don't know why.
No,
Maybe
you
maybe
have
this
given.
app has a lot of objects. Okay, Rahul.
And one more
Yeah,
thing.
Rahul.
You have. Yeah. Tell me.
You're saying something. Please go ahead.
You have done two checks, na? Something sales, right? So
Ah.
what is the use for that? Like in that in here.
So basically, that checkbox is used for the particular app we are selecting. There are two sales apps. So I was little bit confused that what app we are using. We are using Sales Lighting here. So I selected two
Hmm.
checkbox.
Okay, so it is
Ha.
sales app, right? We are using
Yeah, it
sales
is a
app.
sales app. Basically, the use of the checkbox is
Sales
by
app
check.
means we have done take to sales means
Hmm.
sales app मतलब कि ये sales object, right?
Yeah. No, no, no. Sales app. This is an app. App is used to display the objects. These are the
Okay,
objects. App is
okay,
basically a container, you can say. A big container having some objects in it.
okay. So you have done take to sales. That means
Huh.
कि we can add that object,
Hmm.
custom object here on top,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. 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 Perfect. Just give me 1 minute. Let me check. See, we have employees here. Okay.
Yeah.
There were two apps here, and I selected for that part.
Nee,
No
how
problem.
how was you doing this? Like, how can we check this?
How can you check this? I selected now. I selected checkbox.
Hmm.
So you can select checkbox and choose for what app you want to make it available. Okay, just give me a minute. We are selecting checkbox. Okay, employers. It's not visible for the employers as well. Okay, Rahul, as we are not able to see that customer object, one thing what we can do, we can click on this pencil icon. Can you see
Okay.
this
Yes.
pencil
Yes.
icon? Click on it, and you can see add more items.
Mm-hmm.
Click on all and click customer.
Okay.
We have two customers. Yeah, I made two customers. Just give me a minute. Let me
Mm.
check what customer we are talking about. Let's add both the customers here. Let's add
Mm.
both. Click on the plus icon. Click on the
Mm.
plus icon.
Okay.
Add and save. We can also shift that customers. I think I selected this.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. You can also drag your object like this and change its place. Okay.
Okay. So these are the all objects which are visible on top.
Huh, which are visible on top. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Customers. Okay. So I can
Mm.
also make it like this. Okay. You can
Mm.
see if you have a customer here.
Mm. So we can
Yeah.
add
This
field.
was this
We
was
can
a
add field
this was a
from top.
customer which we have. Okay. So basically, you can see that we don't have any field right now.
Yes.
Okay. We don't have any field right now. We already have one standard field which is by default provided by the Salesforce hotel name, which is
Yeah.
basically a name field. As you can see in the customer also, customer name.
Okay.
Basically, this is a standard field provided by the Salesforce only. Now,
Okay.
as you saw, the account we had a lot of fields. Okay,
Yes.
we had a
Yes.
lot of fields. Okay, phone number, account type, employers, SIC code, many things. I think near about 20, 30 fields, right? But
Yes.
in hotel, we don't have any field. Why? Can you please tell me the reason?
Because it's a custom objects made by
Yeah,
us. Yeah.
perfect. Good, very good. Because it is a custom object,
Mm.
and we don't have, and we didn't make any field. So how it will be visible, right?
Yes. Correct. Yeah.
We can also make fields in that.
Yes. Yeah.
And how to make that field? Click on the object hotel,
Okay.
click on the gear icon, click on edit object. Okay,
Okay.
when you will click on the edit object, you will be redirected to the page of your object. Can you see the fields and relationships here?
Yeah.
Click on it. Can you see the
Yes.
new name, new here? Click on new.
Mm.
Okay, have a lot of field types to choose.
Mm.
Box, currency, date, date time, email, geolocation, number, phone, tick list, I told you that drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Text area, long, rich. Long means we can you can put a like
Yes.
large
Yes.
large
Yes.
characters. Okay,
Yes.
this
Yes.
is a simple text which will mm, yeah, this will only include
Mm.
255 characters. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
and if you want to store some address, so you can
Mm.
use text area long. Okay,
Yeah.
let me show you with the help of example. Let's take it text. Okay, simple text.
Yeah.
So not text, date. Let's take a date because text is already present.
So we can add one field at one time.
Yeah, you can take one field at one time. You cannot select three four fields types. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Let's suppose hotel
Name.
Let's suppose date. No, it's a date field, na.
Yeah.
So it must be like date. You can
Okay.
take anything.
Hmm.
Date, time, मतलब
Hmm.
whatever you want. Date of joining, you can also say.
Yeah.
Date of
Okay.
date of creation, you can say. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. You can also take date of creation, that on which date that hotel was, you know,
Hmm.
hotel was getting started.
Hmm.
Okay, so you will see that this is field name. In object we saw object name. In field we also have a field name, means field API name.
Yes.
Okay. So you will see that I will not do anything, it will be automatically rendered on my page.
Yeah.
Okay, Rahul? Just give me one
Yes.
minute. Let me settle down. Okay. So I made date of creation. Okay. So I will
Yeah.
click anywhere. See. Now when I will click on this, click anywhere. See, it redirected automatically.
Yeah.
Because it is that process is done by the Salesforce. We can't do
Okay.
anything. We can't change the field name by our. We can. I will tell you how. Okay. And one
Mhm.
more thing, in field API name, we cannot put a space bar. It always takes space bar underscore underscore.
Okay.
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 Okay. Always. Next. As it is a part of Salesforce security, as I told you, let's skip it for now. Okay. Next. And you can save that record. Now, when you click on your object, go to the fields and relationship, and you can see that what fields you created. Basically, you
Yeah.
created only one field, one custom field in it.
Yes.
Date of creation. Okay, created by, last modified by, name, and owner ID. I will tell you what is the use of owner ID, last modified by, and created by.
So these fields are by default, right?
Yeah,
These
these fields
four fields are
basically
by default.
four. Yeah, basically when you will make any object, the four fields will be provided by default.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you. We made customer now. Customer.
Yes.
Okay, just give me a minute. See, customer,
Yes.
standard field. So we made customer. So there are four field by default. We didn't make any custom field in customer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
you can see name, last modifier, owner ID. These are the four by default provided.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, perfect. So I made a field. I created a field date. So when I will click on the new, just give me a minute. It needs a refresh. Control Shift R. You can put Control Shift R, or you can just click on this view profile and click compact. This is
Mm-hmm.
also a way to refresh, as I told you. Okay, compact and comfy.
Okay.
So
When
let's
it's
click on.
compact, we can do compact, and and when it's
You can
compact,
also
we can do
click on that compact and comfy, whatever you want. Like you can choose any one option. It's a part of refresh only.
okay.
Okay, just click on the new. So you can see hotel name and date of creation. Let's make a
Again,
record.
again, click. Close this again. Yeah. Can I
Yeah.
see?
Hmm.
Hotel. Then
Hmm.
new, right? New.
Yeah, hotel new. New means we are creating a new record in hotel, right?
Okay.
Click on new. Hotel, let's suppose any favorite hotel you know.
Mhm. Anyone you can. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's take Taj Hotel. Okay, and we
Mm.
can make date of creation any date. Let's take it um, 10 10 Feb. Okay,
Yeah.
save. So your record is saved. See? Hotel Taj Hotel. I
Yes.
created record. When you will open that record, you can see Taj Hotel date of creation and created by the field, which is the standard field, as I told you. With
Yes.
that,
Yes. Right.
that record is created by which user? That is created by Lalit Kumar. As you can see, I have
Mhm.
login there. Okay,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
you
Yes.
can see
Correct.
I have login. Owner, who is the owner of the record? I am the owner, Lalit Kumar.
Yeah.
Which was a person who last modified? Lalit Kumar was the person, because right now we are logging with the Lalit Kumar. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Rahul, what comes in the picture that in Salesforce we have a lot of users. Let's suppose we have a user Rahul, we have
Mm.
Amit, we have Sumit. So basically, last modified field tells that, and let's suppose this is org is used by 10 users.
Mm.
Okay, so we can see that what. that record is created by which person. That record, and let's suppose that record was created by Lalit Kumar. Then who was the person who last modified that record?
Yeah. Okay.
So you can see the name here. Okay, who was the owner of that record? Like the person who
Okay.
made was the owner of that record.
Yes.
But sometimes we can also change the ownership of record. I will tell you later how we can do this.
Okay.
Okay. So Rahul, as you told, as you also saw the customer object here.
Yes.
Okay. So let's make some field for customer as well.
Yeah.
Now tell me what step I need to follow.
We can go that on top, that setting something star
On the
icon,
gear icon. On the gear
gear,
icon.
gear icon. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's click on the gear icon. And now
Mm.
what is
Setup.
the next step?
Setup.
Setup. Okay. Okay. Setup. Perfect. Okay. Now what is the next step?
Yeah. We can object manager.
Okay, okay. Very good. Object manager. Okay, let's click on the object manager. It is taking some time to reload.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. It is a cloud technology, so it takes some time. Okay. Okay, so next, what next?
Mm, this is mm, account.
No, 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 no.
No, no, labels.
We just give me a minute. Rahul, we were making custom field for customers. So what we will
Yes.
do, we will manually select the customer object, na?
Okay. Okay.
है ना?
Yes.
Customer.
Yes. Customer. Okay.
Okay, customer object.
Okay. Yeah.
Customer, sorry. This is our customer object, and you can
Yes.
see we are redirected to our customer object.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so Rahul, this is a long way, yaar. Okay,
Okay.
let me tell you the shortest way.
Okay.
So basically, click on the object, click on the gear icon. You will
Okay.
see edit object in the last.
Yeah. Okay.
Click on that, and it will redirect you directly like this. You don't need to search your object and then click on setup object manager. It will redirect you directly to that object.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, are you
Yes.
getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Should I repeat again?
No. No. It's fine.
Okay, okay. So click. Okay. Now what next? Can you please tell me the next step?
Next step is field and relationship first.
Yeah, skills and relationship. Okay. And what next?
Yeah, because we have four elements by default, so we can have new. We can click on new and we can make a
Okay.
new one.
Okay. Okay. You want me to click on the new?
Yes.
Okay. Let's click on the new. Perfect. Okay. So let's make
Any one field you can.
anyone like okay. Let's make email customer email. Okay.
Okay.
We are selecting the data type. Are you familiar with the term data type?
Yes.
Yeah. So in coding, we have integer, we have string, we have date,
Yes.
data
Yes.
types, right? Okay, boolean. Similarly, we also have some data types in Salesforce, but the difference is in that we have the coding, and this we have the point and click approach.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the data types: currency, date time, email. So email data type will only store the emails only. It will not store name, number, date, nothing.
Okay.
As you will see in the coding part, string will only store text. It will not store any number.
Yeah.
We can also make like if you're storing the number in commas, in inverted commas, then we can make it a string,
Okay.
but we cannot store a number in string.
Okay. Means we don't store a number. Number is always stored as a string, right?
Yeah, see, we have an email here. Okay,
Hmm.
let's click on next.
Okay.
So let's name it customer email. Customer email.
Okay.
Okay, click on the next. See, it will be automatically populated. Email name means
Yeah.
name
Yes.
for customer email.
Yes.
See, it populated
Underscore.
automatically, and we have a space between R and E.
Yeah.
It
Underscore
will be
added.
underscore. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's click on the new. Now again, that security part, let's leave it for now
Okay.
and save.
Okay.
So you can see that we created one field. What is the field? Customer email. What is the data type? It has an email data type. That it will
Email.
only
Okay.
store the data type email.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's go to the customer. Control Shift R. You can refresh. Click on the new. See, your customer email. Let's for customer name Lalit Kumar. Email
Mm.
Lalit 123 @ gmail.com and click
Okay.
save. See, one record is created, Lalit Kumar. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
As I created one record for hotel also.
Mm.
Okay. So this was for today.
Yeah,
Hope
it's
you
fine.
enjoyed it. Hope you
Yes,
enjoyed
yes.
it. And let me stop the recording.
Yeah.
Okay. Just give me a minute.